Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix D3DX9 underscore 43.dll is missing in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to bring up our Google Chrome. Just simply double tap that to open, but in case you don't have the Google Chrome browser in your Windows, you can simply use another browser in your Windows. Just have to use what is convenient to you and what is present in your computer. Okay. Here you need to paste a link which I'll be pasting at the description box below. So no worries for that. Okay. So just have to paste it here at the Windows search bar. Once you have pasted it, just have to click on enter to proceed. So it asks you to continue, just have to click on go to site, okay? And it says here 503 service temporarily unavailable. So if it's unavailable, just have to click on add a new tab, okay? And here you need to type for this. Okay, let me just close this everything. Okay, since I have accidentally typed it. Just have to type for this D3DX9 underscore 43.dll. Okay, click on it. And here you need to scroll down and look for this. Okay, dllme.com, then click on enter. Since our link is not available, that's why we'll be using another website, which is this. Okay, anyway, they have the same file. Okay, it's just they differ in website that we have just visited. Okay, so here just have to click on this download pink download option, click on it, and just have to close this ad. Okay, and wait until you are being redirected to the different versions of this zip file. Okay, just have to scroll down. Okay, now here before proceeding on downloading such, you need to select first. I mean, you need to identify first what type of system do you have in your Windows or computer. How you can check here at the bottom search bar, you need to type for info. Okay, and here a system information will appear. Please click on Run as Administrator. Okay? And your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you would be able to open the system information. Okay? Here you need to go with system type, and under that it has this value. In my case, I have a times 64 based PC. That's why I'm gonna choose the 64-bit, which is placed in the very first. But if you have a 32-bit computer, then go with the second. And if you have a ARM 64, then go with just have to choose the correct system type here. Okay. Once you have selected it, please click on then select. Okay. And once you have selected it, just have to scroll down, please. Okay. And wait until a captcha will be available for here. Okay. It has this I am a human. Just have to click on this. Okay. Let's just wait until this captcha will be available for us. Okay. So just have to wait, please. Okay. Now it asks here to click the images containing the animal shown in the example image. Okay. So we just have to select the correct animal. Okay, which is this. Once you have selected it, please click on next. Okay, and then select again the correct animal that what matches the shown picture here. Okay, and then click on verify. Okay, so once it's marked checked here, you can now start to download the zip file. Okay, so just a moment. Okay, it is still verifying if we are a human or not. Okay, so we just have to wait until the verification will be successful, and then now it is downloading. Okay, let's just have to wait until the file will be downloaded here in our Windows. Okay, close the odds. Okay. So now it is starting to download. I can see it is marked down here. Just have to click this arrow icon, please. Okay. And the moment you have to click on that arrow icon, you can see there a gear icon. Just have to select on it, okay? And then click this copy icon. Please click this. The moment you have click on it, directly proceed to your C drive. To click on it, go with your Windows, please. Okay? And this time you need to scroll down and look for System 32. So I can see it here. You just have to double tap it and just have to click in this blank area, do a right click and click the paste icon. And it has this, the destination already has the file name. Just have to click on replace the file destination and then click on continue and wait until it will be done pasting. Once it is being set here, okay, I can see it is being set here. Just have to click this backward arrow. And this time you need to scroll down and look for the second file folder, which is the syswow64. Just have to double tap it and click this here at the area, which is a blank area, and then go with replace the file in the destination. Just have to click on continue, please. And once all of the two folders are being pasted with the zip file, just have to close this and then close this browser window as well. And you just have to restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, just have to check if your problem has been fixed. I'm sure it will be fixed, okay? So those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.